straight to the next, and that's number 12. Number 12. Let's see the question. 1/3 of this one third the sum of two numbers is 12. Okay, let the numbers be a and b. Let the numbers be a and b. So that means this 1/3 1/3 multiplied by the sum of a and b, which is 1/3 multiplied by a plus b, is 12, equals 12. Twice their difference is 12. Twice their difference is a minus b. Here we are taking a as a bigger number. Twice their difference means 2 times a minus b equals 12. Find the numbers. That's pretty cheap. Now from this equation, 1/3 into bracket a plus b equals 12 is the same as a plus b over 3 equals 12. And when you cross multiply, what do you have? A plus b equals 3 times 12, 36. Let's call that equation 1. Now from the second, 2 into bracket a minus b equals 12. From this equation, 2 into bracket a minus b equals 12. Let's see. 2 into bracket a minus b equals 12. We can divide both sides by 2. And when we do that, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 6. That simply means a minus b equals 6. Let's call that equation 2. And now we can solve equations 1 and 2 simultaneously. Equation 1 is a plus b equals 36. So we're solving those two equations simultaneously. A plus b equals 36 and a minus b equals 6. So I'm solving by elimination. A minus b is 0. B minus minus b is the same as b plus b. Let me show that b minus minus b is the same as b minus times minus is plus, b plus b, and that's 2b. So that's what we're going to have here. B minus minus b is the same as b plus b, which is equal to 2b. And then equals 36 minus 6 is 30. So if 2b is 30, what's b? Let's take this off. Take this out here. And that now means we divide both sides by 2 to get b. And that means b is equal to 15. That means b equals 15. And we already said a plus b equals 36. So that means a plus 15 equals 36. That's putting b in equation 1. And that simply means a equals 36 minus 15, which means a equals 36 minus 15 is 21. And the question says find the numbers. Therefore, the numbers are 15 and 21, or if you like 21 and 15, and the correct option is A. So we go straight to the next, which is number 13. Number 13. What does that say? Number 13. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2/3 and minus 3/4. This is we can write the general quadratic equation in this form: x squared minus sum of roots times x. I have to make sure that space contains it. X squared minus sum of roots times x plus product of roots. product of roots equals 0. This is a way, the quadratic equation is generally of this form. When you know its roots, you can find the equation by this definition. So the roots here are 2 over 3 and minus 3 over 4. So the sum of the roots will be 2 over 3 plus minus 3 over 4. And that's equal to, that's the same as 2 over 3 minus 3 over 4, which simply means, what's 2 over 3 minus 3 over 4? LCM is 12. 3 into 12 is 4 times 2, 8 minus 4 into 12 is 3 times 3, 9. And that will be minus 1 over 12. That's the sum of your roots. Now let's find the product of your roots. Product of roots, I'll just write product equals 2 over 3 times minus 3 over 4. And that's the same as 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 3 here 1, 3 here. That's going to be minus 1 over 2. So now the quadratic equation is x squared minus sum of roots. What's the sum of the roots? The sum of the roots is minus 1 over 12. So that's x squared minus, into bracket, minus 1 over 12 times x. Or in this case, okay, yeah, times x plus product of roots, which is minus 1 over 2, equals 0. And that simply means this is going to give us x squared. This is going to be x squared plus 1 over 12x minus 1 over 2 equals 0. We have to clear the fractions, and we can do that by multiplying through by the LCM of all the denominators. The LCM of the denominators is 12. So we're multiplying through by 12. 12 times x squared is 12x squared, plus 12 times 1 over 12x is 1x, which is same as x. If I do 12 times 1 over 12x, 12 here 1, 12 here 1, and I'll be left with x, 1x, which is same as x, minus 12 times 1 over 2 is 6, equals 0. And that's the equation. Okay, the equation is the equation is in terms of y, so that means I can write it as 12y squared plus y minus 6 equals 0. And that's the equation whose roots are 2 over 3 and minus 3 over 4. And that's it, very, very simply. Alright, and the correct option is 12y squared plus y minus 6. The correct option is C. Now we go straight to the next